Hi everyone, my name is Kostas. Welcome to yet another episode. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing / showcase of a really nice pair of Carlos Santos dark brown suede Chukkas. So get ready, we're going straight right into it. Alright, so here's the box that comes out with the shoes. Standard line Carlos Santos boots. Of course, you get the leaflet here, branded shoe bags, black, really nice. And you get a nice little plastic shoehorn. Can you focus? Focus? There you go. But that's not why you're here. This is why you're here. This is it then. A really nice pair of summer Chukkas. I think a dark brown suede Chukka should be in every man's wardrobe for pretty much an everyday shoe. What I like most about this is, first of all, it's the last. You can see the shape here. This is the 401 last. It's quite chiseled, sharp, elongated, slightly elongated last, and probably one of the most well-fitted lasts, at least from customer feedback. It has a bit more arch support and a little more generous instep here. It has 3 eyelets, so that helps also. The shape is a little more roomy around the forefoot. Very simple, very clean, really nice pair of Chukkas. This one is made from goat suede, so the nap of the suede is not so soft, you would say, like in a pair of suede shoes made from cow suede, but it feels a bit more durable. It's quite soft still, and it's perfect for every day. So if you have a little more texture in your clothes, for example, like a very casual shoot or some chinos or some jeans, this will fit the bill perfect. And the color is very versatile. It's dark brown. Carlos Santos actually calls it Camurcha 173. And stitching is really good overall. It's made for a few pieces of leather with a straight back seam here. The sole is made from Dainite, so very classic, very simple, very well made, and will last you quite a bit. And the reason that these have a Dainite sole is because it's one of the most commonly requested features for a pair of shoes, because people want something that doesn't look too bulky but is very durable, and it's preferable when you're in a place where it rains more. For example, I have a friend in Seattle that really appreciates the Dainite sole. 3 eyelets, really nice sturdy laces. Stitching, welt, very nice, very consistent, Goodyear Welted. And you can see them. They look pretty nice, don't they? Inside, you get the lining. It's a bit of natural color, or a little more oranges, you would say. Here you can see the model. I think this is the 1045 is the lining code, and here you can see your size. This size is number 8 in UK. The suede is pretty cool. It's called Camurcha 173, I think, the code, and from what I understand, this particular one comes from goat suede, so it has a little bit of a, how to say it, not softer but thinner nap to it, so it's not as fluffy as cow suede, for example. It's very durable though. It's a little thicker too. It feels a little thicker. Feels pretty good to the touch, and I already have a pair of these, but not in Chukkas. I have them in Chelsea boots, exact same leather, and also the field boots that you can find on my store. You will see the link later. The shaft also is from this exact same leather, and it's been pretty popular. So this has been the unboxing and sort of showcase of the Carlos Santos Chukkas in dark brown suede. This particular model you can only find in the Noble shoe. You can see the link down below. I chose this specific leather because I already had experience with it, and I feel like a dark brown Chukka is really important for a man's wardrobe, especially for those of you that want an everyday beater shoe that you can use with jeans, chinos, or some really odd trousers and very casual shoes. This fits the bill perfectly. I think the last shape is great. The arch support is good. The overall quality is really good for the price. This particular model retails for $309, including free shipping. And I think the value for the price is unbelievable. I'm really happy with it. I got, as I said, I got one of these in Chelsea Boots. I also have a pair in Coimbra patina, so in calf leather on the shop, and you can check it out as well. I will leave the link down below. Overall, I don't know, I keep repeating myself, but I think this is one of the best bang for buck. It's made in Portugal fully. It's Goodyear Welted, so you can resole it as many times as you want. The quality of the leather is great. I think this suede comes from the UK, while the calf leather comes from Dainite Sole, for example, or Dainite. The last is really good. I think most of the people that buy my shoes or try the Carlos Santos, their favorite last or the best fitting last is generally the 401. Especially if you have a bit of a wider foot, it can have a bit more support there. So yeah, pretty good, huh? So if you had a good time, please click the subscriber button and leave a comment with your thoughts or what you would like to see next. I got a lot of shoes to show. For the next video I'm going to try something different. I got some really cool new sneakers with patina coming in, so I hope you're going to like this. They're already available on the website from sizes UK 6 to UK 12, and you all know what's coming. Why are there no cats on Mars? Because curiosity killed them all. I'm sorry, that was terrible. I hope you get it. I'm sorry, that was terrible. I better stick with the shoes. See ya.